Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and doing good in your studies also. So first of all, tell me that how your mains preparation is going on, and if you have not cleared any prelims and if you are hoping that you can clear the SBI JA prelims, then please keep preparing for the mains examination because you can't know that which pre you will clear. Okay, so it is better to be prepared before the results so that you don't get frustrated after clearing the prelims if you have not prepared for the mains examination. Okay, so most of the students are preparing for the mains examination. I am going to share some practice material of mains. Okay, so the thing is that for mains level questions there are rare resources in the YouTube and in Google also. Like we can find the PDFs but they are very less, like 10 to 15 questions are only given. So the first source of mains level practice questions is mock test. Okay, you can submit the mock test and then you can take the practice questions from there. But the problem is that you also need to attempt the mains mock test, and there are only 10 mocks given in the subscription in for one examination. So you find difficulties in finding the mains level questions. Like if your quantity 1, quantity 2 questions are weak, then you need the practice questions. If your data sufficiency is weak, then you need to practice 5 questions of data sufficiency separately on daily basis. Okay, just keep finding your weak areas from the mains mock test and then practice the weak areas. Okay, so for that we need the practice material also. Plus the other thing is that do not skip the math speed test at this time. Like most of the students, what they do is they skip doing simplification, approximation, number series at this time when they are preparing for mains, but they can't understand that these things maintain your speed. By practicing these questions, you can be in the flow of prelims examination of calculating the values very fast. So don't break that. Try to practice all the like 10 simplification, 10 approximation, 10 quadratic and 10 number series on daily basis. Okay, then the other thing is that now I will come to the practice material. So for the mains level practice material, you can go for the guideless bundle PDF course. As in the PDF course, there are like all the questions available. You don't have to do anything, you just have to open the PDF. Everything like the simplification, approximation, daily practice questions, then the data sufficiency, quantity 1, mixed arithmetic questions of mains also, pre also. So separate targets are there for pre and mains. And the other thing is that if you want to practice puzzles, then I will give you a link of a free PDF of 250 puzzles, and in that PDF all types of puzzles are covered from moderate level to high level. Okay, so it is very good for the mains level examination. Plus it is available in both the languages, and for the PDF course also I will give you the link. Plus the best thing is that for Ganesh Chaturthi it is available at 50% off. Like all the packages are available at 50% off. You can check out the links in the description. So now I will discuss about the mains preparation. The thing is that if you are getting less marks in the mains mock test, then try to take a break from the mains mock test for 2 to 3 days or 4 days. Okay, and like if you are lacking in the data sufficiency questions, then try to develop your technique to solve those questions and try to practice 5 questions on daily basis. Then if you think that your marks in English are decreasing, like you are making lots of mistakes, then you need to revise your grammar. Okay, then there is quant. So in quant also you need to like try to revise the basic questions because these questions form the base of arithmetic. So try to revise the basic questions of arithmetic from each chapter. And then for mains level DIs also, you can go for the previous year papers also to know the level of mains level DIs. Okay, so that is all. Plus like for my RRB clerk prelims result, my score was 73.25 and I attempted 72 questions because in between the paper I got very nervous, so that was the separate thing. So lots of you were asking about my clerk means result, so that was this, and like I wanted to inform you all of this, so I made one video on all the things. And that's all. Try to write in the comments that what problems you are facing in your mains preparation, and like what are you doing these days. Plus for current affairs I will make a separate video very soon. Okay, thank you.